Oh, all set for the jump. Bogo! Bogo! And the third one in the jump. Oh, the green fountain. And what is it going to be? The cat. Oh, such a beautiful cat. Very nice. Okay, and what's next? Okay, the cow. Black and white. It's an apple. Come on, the jump. Oh, what a jump. Okay, and oh, it's a sheep. Wow, so cute. Oh my God, I'm scared. Wow, the orange animal and the orange drink. Oh, let's see. What happens? Oh, what is that? The thumb, it's all crushed. Okay, the fountain. Oh, and what is? Oh, that's really funny. A rat. Oh my God. Oh, the scary gorilla. Seems like he's all set for the race. Okay. Oh, the pink for the gorilla. Oh, that's my